Welcome to Boardman Hill Farm. My name's Greg Cox. I'm the farmer. I wouldn't say I'm the owner. I'm just through like a human pass-through on this land. And we grow anywhere from 5 to 15 acres. Mixed, diverse vegetables, animals. Farming is more than a financial. It's more than transactional. It's more than a business. Farming is critical to human health. Soil, this farm, is a natural resource. And so if I can conserve it, and for me, it's inputs and outputs. And so if we can reduce the inputs and sustain the outputs, it'll continue. The combination of a farm irrigation pond, micro irrigation, so I'm not wasting that water, gives me the ability to keep those yields up and plant health. Because any stress plants, now all of a sudden then you've got disease and insect issues. Well, I'm learning as I go, and you guys, I consider the resource for me to learn. It's these greenhouses that make it possible. It is the single biggest reason we can now have a year-round food system in the Northeast. Right. Because things don't grow from November 21st to January 21st, that dark cold period. But if you can fill this thing up with kale that is 75 to 90% of growth and cover it, it's inventory. I put in a wood boiler stove because with some of the patch cuts that we've done with Equip, and so I'm saving some of the firewood. Our house is primary, secondary, and tertiary heating system is wood. We got a really nice high energy efficient stove, and then we put in a wood boiler here. And so once again, bringing in inputs from outside. We generate our own electricity. We cut our own, heating, and just try to make it more sustainable. I grow microgreens on the benches in the wintertime. I cover this with remay, so I'm not heating the air, and it's just a little bit of bottom heat, and that really works. So anything that cost up front benefits in the long run. And cost up front, oftentimes farmers don't have. So some of the financial incentives that Natural Resource Conservation Service and EQIP provides makes it possible. I couldn't have afforded to put in this benchtop heating system without that funding. And it was so cool because not just the funding, but the education that you get from having those experts come up and analyze and walk you through and tell you why and how. Well, Natural Resource Conservation Service. It's a service that helps people like me better understand how we can address some of the issues in a more natural, sustainable way.